Gotta follow the rules. Everybody on TikTok says I should wear gloves. (1987) Chevrolet 700 R4. It is a four-wheel drive. I do have a customer that is wanting a two-wheel drive, so I think I'm going to take the internals out of this case and put them in a two-wheel drive case. I do not know anything about this transmission. I got it on a core exchange from a four-wheel drive 700 R4. Let's get inside this thing and figure out how bad it is. It looks like we have a pretty good core on our hands, honestly. This is a really good looking case. Oh, I missed the check ball. Haha. Yeah, we've got a pretty big, significant score right here. That's gonna have to be resurfaced. Yeah, we've got some light scoring on the stator side too. There's enough meat there for this to be cut down. That's no problem. Second and fourth band is absolutely blistered. These don't look too bad at all. This is pretty rough. Gonna have to replace this. Give me that. The book says this is supposed to be the other way. Like that. Can someone say burnt? All right, let's find that snap ring. There she is. Good old stock sun shell too. You can see where the gear chattered in between the teeth. Peekaboo. All right, let's see if we can get this first try. Close. Nice.